Hello everyone, it's Owen here. This is one of the 3 boxes I finally got in the mail after what seems like 2 weeks worth of waiting. So let's see what we get in this box today. All of these boxes will be uploaded same day, but they will premiere separate days so that, you aren't bombarded with videos to watch. As usual, I cut through these. Oh, I don't think I've actually seen that yet in any box that I pulled. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I already get these packs out and ready to be viewed. That way that you guys don't sit here waste another 10 minutes of someone going through everything, taking a lot of time out of your day. So let's hope we can get a ghost rare in this one so we can make it a total of 3 pulled from the set. Ooh, Hulk Fibrax, that's lovely. Check back. Vampire, another Yazi. Let's see, Foxy Horse. Ooh, a little damage, look at that. Zombie Dragon Overlord and Plunder Patrol. Yeah, look at that. Konami, I think you and I need to have a talk about how you box these things next time. I've heard this has actually been a lot of complaints from people from buying this product. Is there are a lot of damaged corners? Yeah, see, those are a little screwed up too on that one side. Ooh, Oliver, yay. Dara. Let's see. See, yeah, look at that. Yep. Fishing Hero. Rocky. Yeah, these are pretty messed up. I hate that. I don't know what Konami was thinking putting these in loose in these big boxes. They could have made the boxes twice the size, half the size, and they wouldn't have been flopping around and getting damaged in the corners. So yeah, let me know in the comments what cards you guys want out of here. If it's just the ghost rares or if there's actually cards that you do want out of this set. Ooh, look at that. She got a little notch in there. Alright. Right, Pawn. Star Dragon, Vision Hero, on Meraki, and Zing Prana. Alright, last pack of individual box 3. Samsara, Code Generator, Eos Kruger, Dark Contract, and Pendulum Area. Alright, starting with box 4. Ooh, Blaze Dragon. Definitely want to. I don't know if I've got a second copy of that. If not, I do now. Let's see. Ghost Trick Stein, Shithana, Hulk Fibrax again, Motor Shell, Redbeard. We've actually got quite a bit of stuff in it that I'd actually like to have multiple copies of. Art, Banshee, Yazi, number 60. Alright. Last pack of this box. Succubus, Quintet, Sacred Waters, Vampire Takeover, and Fossil Fusion. Alright. Last 4 packs total. Which is the last box. Lamia, Mystery Earth. Get out of the camera. Alright. Rajay, Reptia Egg, Vitorica, and Contract with the Void. 2 more left. Keep our fingers crossed for a ghost rare. Generator, Sandwich, False Warrior, Plunder Patrol, and McKnight Coltwing. Alright guys, last pack. All for the marbles. Oh, I don't think I've seen Nirvana High Paladin yet. Another Aliber. Wow. Nation. And Fluid of Summoning Karibo. Alright, that's it. No ghost rares. Well, see you guys in the next video.